Good evening, everyone. Hope you had a beautiful weekend. Enjoyed the family, enjoyed the beautiful weather. Don't forget to visit our website and check out our academy and our plans. The members area for if you register for our plans, you will have access to our members area, which goes in live session. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, possible setups. We check out the market before London or New York, 1 hour ahead or wherever we're expecting a move. There's the recordings, and you have full access for all the analysis from the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour. For this week, we'll be checking out the usual pairs, mainly the DXY. If you figure out the DXY, you solve 60% of your analysis. From my own point of view, I'm looking for the DXY to do the following: continue its way down, if not continue straight from here. I would love to change the color. If not continue straight from here, we might have a retest of this area and then continue the downtrend. So if you are not already from this sell, you can move to break even. There's a possibility this is gonna head up here, retest this zone, and continue the short. Euro USD, same concept. I'm expecting, if not continuing the bull run, I'm expecting a bounce and then continuation for the uptrend. If you're not already buy from here, you can move your stop loss, or you can wait for it to head down. You can trade the downtrend if you know how on the lower time frame around the 15 minutes. But keep in mind, we have liquidity up there and liquidity down here. So if they need to come down, same like last week as I explained it, they need to head up, collect that liquidity, come back down. But if they need to continue heading up, they need to grab that liquidity and continue back up. Pound, expecting a break and then continuation for the uptrend. Maximum the break, I'm expecting it to this area. UCAD, this might head all the way up here. How to confirm that? Well, that's why we use fib extensions and zones, right? So I'm assuming these are the two legs, and we're gonna have one more leg down and then a pump up. That was a beautiful trade for last week. Now, if that's what's gonna happen, if it turns from here, we might take this sell till 131. And if it breaks the zone, then we'll start looking for our buys, because this would reach around these areas, either a retest of this or a retest of the top. So let's wait for confirmation, but we're still in a downtrend. Do not look for a buy unless we break this one and close above it, then we'll start looking for a buy. Swiss, still downtrend. I'm looking for it to head down, but keep in mind the market doesn't move in a straight line, right? So that was expected, as I explained last week. If it does that, we're gonna hit, collect the liquidity and head down. So I'm looking for it to tumble all the way down. So if you are in a sell, hold it, move to break even and let it run. And you? I'm expecting to do the following and continuation for the uptrend. One leg down and then pump. AU, same thing. Come down, induce the sellers, because a lot of traders are expecting this to head down. Come down, induce the sellers, and then pump. You can trade the short, or you can wait for it to reach this area and look for longs. Silver was expecting this, but we did not trade it. We're looking for our buys from here to continue the uptrend. It's gonna be a bit roughy because a lot of traders are looking for a sell, so they have to induce the sellers. But for overall, we're looking for buys. XAU, same concept. We might have the following: drop and continuation for the uptrend. I'm not selling, I'm only looking for buy. If it comes right here, as you can see, I have a price alert. If it comes down here, I'm looking for a buy. Oil, we traded this long. We're not in oil, as you can see, it's consolidation in the same area. They're gonna collect as much as they can liquidity, come up here and down here. We're gonna consolidate in this area for a while, maybe till the end of the week, beginning of next week, before we continue the bull run. Keep in mind, if they need to continue up, they have to come down, clear everybody, then head back up. Crypto, BTC, it's an investment. Look for buys. On any dip, take a buy. I'm still holding my buy from here. I think I'm gonna close out paying around $25 a day in swaps. If this week doesn't break, I'm closing. It's gonna continue heading up, but as you can see, look at the mess. I don't suggest you trade this one on the 15 minutes because of the swap. So wait for another drop like this one, but I'm expecting this drop to be around this area. A drop and then continuation for the uptrend. If we do not break this by this week, I'm closing my long. Indices, we still have space to go up. So on any buy setup, buy it. We got the liquidity that's up here. They will collect that on lower time frame. They traders, they should target these liquidity that are up there. So on any dip, buy it. UJ, I was expecting this to head down here last week, but it broke this liquidity area and now it's retesting it. There's two scenarios for this one. This is still valid. Let me clear and explain it better. This one is still valid for this to head back down, but I need the price to come back inside the zone for me to look for myself on lower time frame. If price is staying above this one, that means this is valid and we're heading up. So let price show me what it's gonna do. If it's gonna head up, measure these two legs and take your trade up, and if price comes underneath this one and closes, I'll be looking to sell it. We're still in a buy, as expected, came down into this zone and heading up. I would not buy around here. I would not buy over here, though we have a setup for a buy right there. Because this can easily, because I'm looking for it, that's the last leg of this move. So they're gonna do the following, pump up, watch this area for a massive drop. If you want to buy it, please go ahead. Me, I'll be looking for a sell at the top here. And if it provides a sell setup around here without breaking the stop, I might take it. CAD. We explained it on Friday. Friday Webby. There's institutional setup right here. A retest of this zone, take a sell. That should provide an easy 50 to 100 pips. A retest of this zone, take a sell, first take profit around retest of this high, second take profit, retest of this high. 50 to 100 pips. Beside that, is there anything you want me to check out, guys? You're more than welcome, sir. You're more than welcome. Thank you for joining and watching. Please like and share and comment. And trade safe.